Welcome. If you want to take better shots with your camera on Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, at first you have to go for the photo mode, then tap on the right upper corner, click on the settings, and be sure that this option, press and hold shutter button, is set up on the bar shot. When it is, you have to grab your phone and then click and hold shutter button, and then you are going to take series of the photos. We take 20 photos in a very short time, and as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, if you want to save one of the photo, for example, you would like to pick this one because it looks a little bit sharper than the other ones, you have to simply click on that photo just like that. When you open it in the gallery, you can also store them, you can add them to the favorites, you can also add to album. We can add that photo, for example, for the hard reset. And as you can see, one item was added here, and there is our photo. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.